Woodpeckers clamping squares provide an extra set of hands while assembling your projects. But what do you do when you're working with angles other than 90 degrees? Introducing Woodpeckers' new VaryAngle clamping fixture. With the VaryAngle, not only can you clamp two pieces of material at a perfect 90 degrees, you can also clamp any joint ranging from 22.5 degrees to 180 degrees to free up your hands while you add fasteners or just evaluate your project. To get the full adjustable clamping range requires 3 different VaryAngle clamping fixtures. One from 22.5 to 45 degrees, another from 45 to 90 degrees, and this one covers your 90 to 180 degree angles. Each VaryAngle features a laser engraved scale at 1 degree increments. To set your angle, simply loosen the ratcheting knob and adjust the fixture until the laser cut notch aligns with your desired angle. Then lock it in place and you're good to go. The 1 3/8 inch wide base provides plenty of room to add F-style or spring clamps to secure your workpiece in the correct position. For smaller projects, like this flag display case, the 3-inch VaryAngle is the perfect fit. But for larger projects, the 6-inch version will give you more support with the same great features.
And now, after customers have sent us dozens of pictures of jigs they've built with the VaryAngle, we've added a series of 1/4-inch diameter holes in the clamping flanges. Now you can build all sorts of jigs and fixtures using the VaryAngles, like this table saw spline jig.
Woodpeckers' VaryAngle clamping fixtures are available in a 4-piece set of each size and angle range, or go all in with the deluxe 12-piece set, which includes 4 of each angle range at the 3-inch or 6-inch size. Stop struggling with angle joinery on your projects and get a second pair of hands with Woodpeckers' VaryAngle clamping fixture. Order yours today.